Menjon Sorik, which creates healthy happiness, has been renewed. The Menjon Sorik began manufacturing traditional medicines at a cottage scale in 1968 and was formally registered as a state-owned company, Menjon Sorik, in 2017. In 2020, Menjon Sorik installed a smart herb drying machine and developed a new brand identity through technical assistance and design support from South Korea. The new brand identity of Menjon Sorik expresses the rich traditional knowledge base of Bhutan and the abundance of medicinal herbs, and symbolizes Menjon Sorik's passion to grow into a global brand. Menjon Sorik has 4 representative product groups: Terinma, Menzang, Zepel, and Dizang. Under each herbal product group, there are various products made using the best herbal ingredients from the pristine mountains of Bhutan. Menjon Sorik is playing various roles for the benefit of societies: research and develop health-related products, produce essential traditional medicine, improve healthcare, support local community. Menjon Sorik's vision and goal is to be the world-class manufacturer of traditional medicines and herbal products for the well-being of the people. Menjon Sorik brings health and happiness to the consumers through our natural herbal products. Healthy happiness. Menjon Sorik.